Hello and welcome back to Totally Awesome Barbecue. Now, I've been craving a cheeky Nando's for ages. For the Americans who probably don't know what a Nando's is, it's a chicken restaurant. It's Portuguese and it's quite famous in the UK. And basically they do like peri-peri chicken. And they do a non-spicy version, which is lemon and herb. They used to do a mango one, but they don't seem to do it anymore. But yeah, I've been wanting to do this on the barbecue for ages, and if I go to a Nando's restaurant, it ends up being up to about 100 to 150 quid, just like, well, probably more for the 5 of us, but if it's just me and the missus, it can be up to like £100 just for the 2 of us. So, I want to try this for ages. I've got myself some chicken thighs that are filleted. I've got myself the 2 bag and bake ones with a flavouring kit, lemon and herb. I'm not going to use the bag because then it's counterproductive. It's just basically cooking it in an oven outside. I want the smoke to penetrate the chicken. And I've got some extra lemon and herb just for in case there isn't enough in there. And also I've got myself some Nando's peri-peri lemon and herb sauce as well, so I can give it a baste every now and then. Yeah, so all this cost me was £14.65, and this should feed all 5 of us. So that's a massive saving than having to like spend a fortune in a Nando's restaurant. It's much cheaper to do it at home, do it in the oven or do it on the barbecue, but I prefer to do it at the barbecue because it's so much better. Back to the job at hand. Yeah, you get a little sachet and you get these bags like this. So you put the chicken in. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the bag and I'll put one of these in there, and I'll use the other bag to do that one as well, so they evenly get the rub on it. And if I think there's not enough, I've got some more in. Stick it all in. Oh, that smells lovely, that does. Stick it all in. And you just give it a shake. As suspected. Hasn't covered all of it. So yeah, I am going to need this just to give that little extra bit, the bits I've missed. So yeah, let's have a quick look. Now you can see that in there, all covered and looking lovely. Yeah, I'm going to put these in the fridge. We're going to do the next one as well. And the great thing about it, you don't have to touch the chicken. Although I wear gloves anyway, so it's good to be safe. Right, we've got our 2 chickens, well, say 2 chickens, we've got our chicken thighs in the bags. I'll put these in the fridge, and then when we're ready to fire up the barbecue, we get these on. Right, now we've got the barbecue fired up. These have been marinating for about 3 hours. I'm going to stick some wood on and put the charcoal on as well and stick these on. Give us a grill a scrape. Get these bits of chicken on. Oh, look at that. Right, we've been smoking away for about 20 minutes. Whoa, look at those. You can get some of this lemon and herb sauce on them. And I get the smoke out of my eyes. Ugh. Just give it a nice coating. That is it. Do a fire or a barbecue. Doesn't matter where you go. Smoke always follows you. I bet this is going to taste much better than going to Nando's and spending like 70 odd quid. I love this sauce. I have this in almost everything. It's good thing about having a drip tray. Right, turn these over. Right, let's put this on there for another 20 minutes. Right, it's been 20 minutes since I had a quick look. Oh, look at those. They look so good. Right. Get the test. 78. That's in the 80s. Now what you're looking for is I do it in Celsius, is 75 or over. As they say, 75, stay alive. These all pretty much done. That's in the 90s. Oh yeah, they're done. Look at those. They look lovely. Right, let's get them chopped up and I'm going to do a taste test. And here it is. Look at that. Lovely. Hasn't got much of a smoke ring, as you can see on here. Not much of a smoke ring, but let's give it a go. Damn. Tell you what, that's just as good and more than Nando's. With all that smoky taste in it. Damn. Got a slight kick to it. And lemon and herb is supposed to be non-spicy. Yeah, that's lovely. You've definitely got to give this a go on the barbecue. It's quite simple. Just go and get the kit with the bag and the rub and everything. You can buy an extra bottle of the Nando's peri-peri sauce or hotter if you want. Yeah, give it a baste on there whilst indirect, and you get these sort of results. Those charred bits are really nice too. That is bloody good. So it's just like being at Nando's. But yeah, give it yourself, and you can do it in the oven if you want, but I prefer to do it on the barbecue. Use all sorts of woods to smoke with it. Don't have to be this whiskey barrel that I tend to use. I actually bought that on Amazon and I had a massive box full and I'm still trying to get through it. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, consider subscribing, and hit that notification bell and let you know when I upload another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.